Assalamu alaikum habibi. Have you been learning Arabic for a long time and still find difficulty speaking to natives? Or you have zero knowledge of Arabic and want to conduct conversations? I will show you how. Spoken Egyptian Arabic, native Egyptian, not modern standard Arabic, not complicated grammar, the Egyptian that people use on daily basis. You know that many learners start with modern standard Arabic to be able to speak and they get total despair because they find two different languages? Well, the problem is the order of things. Instead of starting with modern standard Arabic with the complicated grammar, with the complicated structure, and then try to get down into conversation, start with what really matters. This is what I do. You start with spoken Egyptian. That's why I created a free concise course called Egyptian Arabic 101. This course, with very important video lectures and downloadable ebook, will get you there. Will get you the feeling of spoken Egyptian and let you know how to start it right from the very beginning. Want to start spoken Egyptian the right way? Start with this free course and make it your first step. You'll find the link to the course in the first comment and also in the description box.